Hi, I'm Richard Monteiro. I'm the head teacher at Ysgol Gellifor in Denbighshire, North Wales. I've asked my assistant head, Amanda Brooks-Jones, just to take you on a bit of a classroom tour.
Hi, good morning. We've been here ready for Monday, getting it all prepared for the children. Lots to think about, and also how to make it safe but also fun for them to come back to, because they're all going to be really apprehensive, and the thought of them coming back into class and not knowing where they can go, what they can touch, what they can do, was something that I kind of worried a little bit about. So I tried to turn it into something a bit fun for them. So I decided that we'd turn the classroom into a crime scene investigation. That way I was able to seal off where I didn't want them to go. I've put some police tape up against the library, everywhere else, so that they're not touchable. And we're going to have the case of the stolen laptop, so the children will be working on that on Monday. So hopefully when they do come in, it's not quite so daunting for them. It will be seen more as a bit of a fun activity than look what COVID's done to our classroom. When they come in, everything's been positioned so that they are well and truly away from each other. Laptops, iPads, their children will have their own individuals. They've all been cleaned down, sterilised and ready. Each child has got their own box of goodies, and they are aware that this is theirs, nothing else belongs there to be shared with. So they've got books to write in, they've also got the whiteboard, all the resources. I popped in little lots of tissues for them, hand sanitizer, little cup for them to drink. They've all got their own little pencil case, so that hopefully they won't have to share anything with anybody. And again, we've tried to set it out so that there's one child per table. Obviously this is for a set of twins, hence two of them, so that is why you see two on there. I've also set some markers out on the yard for more for the parents really, for when they're pick up and drop off points, so that the parents just feel that little bit more reassured that they know where to stand when they come. We've got the staggered times and they know what child's coming at what time. So we will take the temperature. If they pass green, they can come in. If it's red, they have to go straight home. So we've warned parents to wait outside just while we do the test. And then in they'll come, and then we'll be doing lessons inside and out, picnic in the park, hopefully on the grounds, at dinner, and hopefully have a lovely day where the children have some form of normality back in their lives, ready for September.